In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share zip file on OneDrive. By the end, you'll know how to upload your zip file to OneDrive and share it quickly and securely with the right people. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the OneDrive homepage. You can do this on a computer for the smoothest experience, though it works on mobile too. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and sign in with your Microsoft account. If your account uses extra verification, complete that as well. After you're signed in, you should land on your OneDrive files page. If you see the Microsoft 365 dashboard instead, open OneDrive from the app launcher to get to your files. Now let's upload the zip. At the upper left of the OneDrive screen, click the plus or new button. From the menu that appears, choose Files Upload. Your computer's file picker will open, navigate to where your zip file is saved, select it, and confirm. You'll see an upload indicator. Keep the tab open until it finishes. Larger zip files may take a bit longer, and a stable connection helps avoid interruptions. When the upload completes, go to My Files to view everything in your OneDrive. If your zip doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or sort by modified to bring recent items to the top. You can also use the search bar and type the zip file's name. Once you see your zip, you're ready to share it. Select the zip file to reveal the sharing options. Click Share to open the sharing panel. Here, choose how you want to share. If you want a simple link anyone can open, select the option that allows access for anyone with the link, then set it to view only so people can download but not change anything. If you prefer to limit access, choose specific people and enter their email addresses. You can also adjust permissions like blocking downloads if that's available on your account. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Copy Link to copy the shareable URL or send it directly using the built-in email option. Share that link with your recipients through email, chat, or your preferred communication tool. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If recipients say they can't open the link, double-check the link settings and make sure their address is included or that the link isn't restricted. Some organizations limit external sharing, so you might need to choose a more restrictive setting or contact your admin. And remember, people generally download zip files rather than preview them in the browser. That's it. Your zip is uploaded and shared from OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.